You are watching Z Kids Media, fun, learning, and entertainment for kids of all ages.
How I spent my holidays. Holidays are the most enjoyable time for every student. I always wait for my holidays to relax and have fun. This time, I spent my holidays in a special and joyful way. During my holidays, I visited my grandparents' house in the village. The weather was nice and the place was peaceful. I played with my cousins and made many memories. We went for morning walks, visited the nearby river, and ate fresh fruits from the trees. I also helped my grandmother in the kitchen and learned how to make simple dishes. In the evening, we all sat together, listened to stories, and laughed a lot. Apart from fun, I also completed my holiday homework on time. My holidays were full of joy, love, and learning. I will always remember these happy days and look forward to the next holidays.
Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye.